Hey guys, Craig here with Bell Camper Sales. I want to show you this 2018 Greywolf toy hauler. It's 28 foot 10 inches long, weighs 4,900 pounds, so it's half-ton towable. It does not have any slides, but it gives you a nice living room in the back when this is made down into the sofas. Now let me go ahead and show you the usable space back here in the toy hauler area. Your door height is going to be 75 inches. Your door width is going to be 90 inches. Now back here between your two sofa beds, you've got an easy 75 inches. And your floor space from the door to the middle of the house here is going to be 7 foot to the front of the cabinets here. And to that carpet piece right there. So that's going to be 84 inches. Now, it will come all the way on up here, where you've got two more tie downs for a motorcycle. You can come up here to a maximum to this wall of 153 inches. That's 12 foot 9 inches, guys. Okay, now let me show you between these two doors here. At the 84 inch mark. Oh, that was 84 inches. Yes, so your 84 inch mark here is going to give you a width to the front of the oven handle of 51 inches. Now that is 29 inches tall, so if you have wheels that are going to come up in between here, you can come up to 54 inches wall to wall right there. Now from the refrigerator to this wall, you're going to have, we'll go to the front of the breaker box, 43 inches. And then to the front of the handle here, you're going to have 42 inches. Now it's a nice rig, guys. These will lay down into sofas, and I'll show you how that works. TV goes right up here. It does have speakers inside and outside. TV bracket also outside. Power tongue jack. Push button power awning as well. LED lights throughout the whole rig. It's got a big air conditioner on it. Nice big pantry right here in the kitchen. Nice 3-burner stovetop. Nice backsplash in the back here. You do have an oven vent that will kick the air right outside here. No recirculation. Microwave, stainless steel, good looking setup. Does have the new scratch resistant countertops. No roll. It's going to have a rolled edge here, so there's not going to be any water that's going to be able to get inside of there. You have a nice big sink right there, and a nice big cutting board as well. Again, stainless steel on the faucet. And you've got good drawers here, guys. They build these drawers before the front's put on, so that front's not holding it all together. It's got the 100-pound steel ball bearing glide system here. And this goes back into your bathroom. Also, propane and electric refrigerator, 8.5 cubic feet. I think I showed you that pantry, but definitely good size there. And another drawer, big old drawer right here. And you can put a lot of weight in that, guys. Crock pots, things like that. That'll hold it. Okay, guys, I just want to show you these two sofas right here before I show you the next step. You can make these into a bed. Let me show you how they do. And here's a nice big bed back here, guys, so you can sleep a lot of people. And you got the queen size up front. Let me show you the table set up with everything. You've got a great big dinette, gaming, dinner area right there. Let me go ahead and show you guys. You got a nice radius shower in the bathroom here, foot flush toilet, medicine cabinet there, also more storage underneath there, and it does have the faucet you can move around. It's got a pause button on there as well. Ducted AC in here as well as an exhaust fan. Also this dual... Alright guys, just want to show you the master suite. We're in the front of the trailer now. Now you've got a queen size walk around bed here. You've got two CPAP machines where you've got 12 volt and 110 plugs as well. Individual LED reading lights, LED overhead light, ducted AC and heat as well. TV backer, And this is the same backer plate that's outside as well as in the living room. So if you want to use just one TV, you can do that. You're really going to like the secondary entrance for the bathroom here. In case you do have any company, you won't have to go through the hallway to wake them up. You will have storage underneath the bed, as well as hang-up storage on both of your wardrobes on each side, and then more storage up here as well. Alright guys, again, this is Bell Camper Sales in Bartlesville, Oklahoma. Come on up, we'll get you camping.